Hey there guys, welcome to Friday Free Draw. Make sure that you have gone through the slideshow and checked off that you have completed all of your work by putting an X next to that option. And also make sure that you have completed 30 minutes of one of the activities that was listed on the slide. What we're going to draw today is a mix between a beaver, a duck, and a dog. It should be interesting. Start by drawing a line on the top, come down part of the way on one side, and you're going to come down longer on the other side. Here is where you're going to put one of the eyes with a pupil and a highlight. And over here, you can draw kind of a bigger eye, make it look kind of goofy. Pupil, and shade it in. Next, you're going to draw the line down and stop. And here's where his beak goes. So you're going to draw a curved line and then a curve out and in. And now underneath, you're going to curve up. On this side is where his little feet are. They're kind of flat and curved, so they kind of go out and in. Now you're going to draw his leg back up. Draw the bottom of the rectangle out and draw another 2 lines down for his other leg. Back here is his third leg. And then finally, it's got a leg peeking out over here. The last 2 things you're going to do is draw 2 bits of hair peeking out up here. And then you're going to draw a beaver tail. So curve around so that it's wider on the outside and come back up so that it's skinnier when you get back up to his body. And now you're going to draw some lines that cross over each other. All right, and there you have it. If you want to go through and add some depth, you can make his back leg darker. Same thing with this leg. And you can even put a shadow underneath. You can even extend it out underneath his tail. And there you have it. A very strange creature indeed. I look forward to seeing what you turn in.